Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my calico critters this display sweet countertop thing. So with that being said, let's get started. I first went ahead and I took one of those janga wooden pieces, not the ones from Dollar Tree. This is actually from from Janga's, but anyways, I just took it and I just painted it this cloudless color, I believe it was. And now I'm gonna take these Family Dollar containers. They come in a pack of 12, I believe, and I really like these because I think they turned out really cute. And then all I did was I took a jumbo popsicle stick. I just used one for this part, and I had cut it into these little bitty squarish rectangular shapes, and I just slid it in there, but I painted it. And the reason why I painted it was just because I wanted to give it a pop color instead of just leaving it the wooden color. And I really like the blue color because I just think it's going to make the sweet treats pop whenever I get around to making those. So I did it 3 times because the counter can't be too high because calico critters are really short. So I only used 3, and I am using tacky glue to secure all these into places. I do know that they do look a little weird at the bottom, but I still think it turned out really cute, and the tacky glue actually does hold it really nicely. Now, I did not show this one part since the containers do open by just pulling the little piece off. You need to like push it up at an incline so it kind of bubbles out a little bit. Like right here, I'm just doing it flush, but then later on I realized that I just need to scoot it up a little bit so that lip comes out so I can still open it and close it. Now, if you just plan on gluing your items and you don't care about opening and closing it, then go ahead and feel free to glue everything down. But me being me, I like to reuse things. So I really like these containers because they're easy to clean off the paint and such, and I think it turned out really cute for the calico critters. They gave it a nice height. So this is the lip that I'm talking about. I needed to push it out a little bit, which is really cool. Now I'm just taking another jumbo popsicle stick that I painted the same color blue, and I am just using my tacky glue to attach it on top, but I am making sure not to add any glue to the rim of the lid, so this way I can still pull it apart when I want to display different kinds of treats, if that makes any sense. But that is what I did. I think it turned out really cute, and I can't wait to start making my little miniature sweet shop. I think it's going to look so adorable. So this is what it looks like, and this is me taking off the lid, and I could just put it back. I need to make more treats. I haven't made anything in forever. So this is my first craft in a very long time. So it's super quick and short, but thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!